Right, you know what you're doing. You have got 60 seconds from when the whistle blows, not before.
Right.
60 seconds from when the whistle blows, and in that 60 seconds you have got to make your paper aeroplane.
Right.
You can't use anything else but a piece of A4. We are going to bring you over here, then you're going to throw it, and we'll go from there. So we're going to count you down from 5, and then you're ready. Have you got any tactics? Have you thought this through? Have you been practicing?
Well, my daughter, my 6-year-old's given me some tips. So
there you go.
Let's
This will
see.
go well then.
Let's see.
So here we go. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Right.
And she's off. Here she goes. What sort of plane are you going for there, Dan?
A 6-year-old.
6-year-old plane. So
yeah.
this is. It's actually probably going to be a good. Oh, this is interesting. It's a double fold.
Double fold
there.
Double fold.
Straight in at the beginning with a double fold. Haven't seen one of those today. And then this is going to be. It's a bit of. Oh, I see. Now this is nice.
How am I doing for time?
Have you actually practiced this, or have you only?
No, I literally haven't practiced. I absolutely promise you I haven't practiced.
Oh, you've got 30 seconds. I mean, there's no pressure at all here,
okay.
but that's the president of the Institution of Engineering
Yeah,
Technology.
no pressure on that.
No pressure at all. 35 seconds on the clock so far, so she's got like 20 seconds.
I
Are you
wonder.
thinking, were you hoping to have some time to decorate this one?
I was actually. What am I on?
Oh.
What am I on?
You've got 15 seconds left.
Okay.
15 seconds. This is an amazing looking airplane. I have no idea what this is going to... Oh, hang on. We've got 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, you can... What did you... Oh, you got a couple of stickers on there. Look at that.
My daughter said I had to decorate it.
That's a very interesting looking plane. So make your way down to the runway here. And there's not much wingage. There's a little wing
wingage is a
front.
great word, Mark.
I think wingage is the word of the week.
Yeah.
It's my new word.
It's great.
You can put age on the end of anything, can't you? Do you know what I mean? You can have like flowerage and...
Flowerage.
You know, I don't know, watering cannage. So explain the thought process behind your amazing
Well, I've gone for a
there.
sleek look to it.
But it's got this kind of... I don't know if you can see this. It's got a kind of... sort of wing at the back that's down, and then the wing, and then it's very interesting. I hope those butterflies are going to give it extra lift at the front there.
Don't knock it till you try.
Right, so on our count then, we're going to go for 3, 2, 1, throw. So here we go. This is Danielle George, President of the IET, on 3, 2, 1, throw!
Oh.
Was that what you were expecting?
No.
No? Let's get the measure out, everybody.
Halfway.
We were hoping somewhere down there.
Yeah.
Oh, it's just disappointment there. I could see it on your face. The disappointment was terrible. So let's get that up here.
When my daughter did it, it went a lot further.
Did it?
Yeah.
That's the trouble. Children are brilliant. 1.623 metres.
Oh, how disappointing.
It's not bad though, to be honest. You're not in last place. So any particular colour for your sticker? Purple, green, yellow, pink? Orange?
I'll go for
green,
purple, please.
Purple? Oh yeah, purple's quite popular at the moment. 1.623 metres. Right, this is Dan.
Oh,
and I'm going to put IET Pres. Is that all right?
Yeah.
Okay. Can't fit it all on.
I'm not quite sure about Dangerous Dan. Did anyone actually see him do that?
Yeah, we've got it on video. It's absolutely
right.
incredible. Yeah, 1.623. We're going to have to squeeze those ones down a bit there. A bit there. Up.